Hello everyone, welcome to another brand new video. Today I'm gonna show you how to go another workspace in Slack. As you can see, I've already opened my Slack account and this is my workspace. And if you want to go another workspace in Slack, all you have to do is go to the top left corner. Here you will find the various workspace I've already included in, such as like Fast Excel or Think Big Brands. If I click on this will take me to this another channel that is called Think Big Brands, and you can go back to your previous channel as well by clicking this. And for more information, if you wanna add a workspace, you can just sign into another workspace or find workspace or create new workspace. If you wanna like find into another workspace, all you have to do is just click on it, and all you have to do is just click on that specific desired workspace name and you will find that. As you can see, I've already joined in these two accounts, these two channels, and if you want to add more channels, all you have to do is just go here, click on this, add a workspace, and you can create a new workspace as well or find a new workspace as well. Hope you like this video. Hit that like button and subscribe. Hope you all see in the next video. Till then, take care. Thank you.